Hi, Richard from Richard Level Tai Chi, and this is just the final little run through, first in one direction, then in the other direction, of the 8-step Tai Chi form. Hopefully you've watched the preamble videos where I've tried to explain all the moves and whatnot and how you can make it your own and things to watch out for. But if not, hopefully you would still enjoy this video. So as always with Tai Chi, we start with prepare and begin. So prepare. It's always good to leave a couple of seconds after prepare, just to let the sinking feeling really start to take effect. Then begin. Whirl arms. Brush left knee and push. Brush right knee and push. Come around, hold the ball, because then we're going to go into part wild horse's mane on the left. Come around, hold the ball. Part wild horse's mane on the right. Into wave hands like clouds. So 1, 2, and then back. 1, 2, pull in. Into golden cockerel stands on left leg. Swap sides. So golden cockerel stands on right leg. Bring the hands down, left on top first, because we're going to kick through the right hand with the right heel. Then right hand on top, because we're going to switch, kick through the left hand with the left heel. Come down, hold the ball, grasp peacock's tail to the right. Remember, this is all about weight transfer. Come around, grasp peacock's tail again. Open the patio door. And we're done. I'm pretty sure everybody can fit that into their day. If not once, then if not at least twice, then at least once. So that was one way. Let's spin it round in case you find it easier to follow from the back. Prepare. Little pause. And begin. Whirl arms. 1, 2, brush left thigh and push. Brush right thigh and push. Pull in. Part wild horse's mane left. Part wild horse's mane right. Straight into wave hands like clouds. Pull into golden cockerel stands on one leg, and swap, golden cockerel stands on the other leg. Bring the hands down, cross the hands left over right, turn and lift, kick through the right heel, come down, cross the hands right over left, lift, separate, kick through the left heel, come down, hold the ball on the left, into grasp peacock's tail, push the ball away, rotate the hands and pull down, transfer forwards, wipe and separate, transfer back, come underneath and push through, pull around to the right, push the ball away, rotate the hands and pull down, transfer the weight forwards, wipe and separate, pull back, come underneath, push through, open that patio door, come around, step in left to right. You will, as always with my videos, you will see, if you've watched all the videos, you've probably seen me do it 4 or 5 times. You've probably seen me do it slightly differently 4 or 5 times. That is why I do Tai Chi, because you don't have to be perfect every time. And in fact, even if you're not perfect every time, doesn't mean every time isn't right. So those 5-6 times you've seen me do it, every single one of those is right as far as I'm concerned. They're all different, but they're all right. You know, there is no hard, fast, rigid rules in the way that I do Tai Chi. So stick with me, and you know, we should get there in a relatively pain-free way to the point where you can do Tai Chi yourselves, you can enjoy it, you can feel good about it, you cannot hurt yourselves, and you will feel better for it. So that is the Tai Chi 8-step form. You've done it. The only thing now is to do it again, and again, and again. Good luck.